This is pathway for becoming chartered accountant for students who have appeared in March 2021 for their 10th standard examination and who are going to appear in March 2023 for their 12th standard examination. So the students, how they can become chartered accountant? They've already given 10th standard examination in March 2021. After clearing their 10th standard examination, they can register for foundation examination. The last day for registration of foundation examination is 31st December 2022. On or before 31st December 2022, they need to register for foundation examination. Then they will be appearing in the 12th standard examination in March 2023. Their first CA examination, that is CA foundation, will come in May 2023. Now, if you see the gap is only 2 months. So what they should do, they should prepare for their foundation examination along with their 11th and 12th standard. May 2023, they will be appearing for foundation examination. They will be clearing foundation examination in approximately July 2023. Immediately register for CA intermediate examination. Appear for intermediate examination in May 2024. After 1 year, they will be appearing for intermediate examination. So foundation was in May 2023, intermediate will be in May 2024. They need to attend a classroom training session of integrated course of information technology and soft skills for 4 weeks after appearing in intermediate examination. After appearing in intermediate examination, but before result of intermediate examination. So they will be doing this training in say month of June and July 2024. They will be getting result approximately in August 2024 of intermediate examination. If they clear one group or both the groups, they may clear group 1 or group 2 or both the groups of CA intermediate examination. They will be getting result in August 2024. If they clear either of the group or both the groups, they can register for a 3 years articleship. What is articleship? You need to do training under a practicing chartered accountant. So 3 years of articleship, August 2024, you are registering for your 3 years articleship and even register for your final examination in August 2024. You can register for final examination once you have cleared both the group of intermediate examination. So I am assuming you have cleared both the groups of intermediate examination. Appear for or attend the training of advanced integrated course of information technology and soft skills, again 4 weeks, but this can be done only in last 2 years of your articleship. So say you are doing it in September 2025, your 1 year of articleship is complete. Now you can appear for this particular training, that is advanced integrated course of information technology and soft skills. You will be appearing in CA final examination in May 2027. So you will be having your final examination May 2027. Complete your 3 years of articleship in August 2027. Once you clear your CA final examination, complete your articleship, you may apply for CA membership. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will be giving you membership of ICAI, and now you are termed as chartered accountant.